Hello you guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Lake. If you don't already know who I am, I go by Lake Marese, and today I'm going to show you how to style these soft locks. All you will need is a few hair ties. I have an extra stretched out headband and then a scrunchie. I have a scrunchie on right now in my hair, so I will show you guys that later on. Optional will be if you want to do like your edges at the end, have a little edge control brush and edge control, or like a toothbrush, whatever that you use to like slick them down, lay them down, however you want to do it. I'm sorry you guys if I sound a little nasally because my allergies are tearing me up. Let's go. I'll be outside, bleeding, cut like peroxide. Alright, you guys, that concludes the end of this video. That took a while. It really did. It took me an hour. Don't know why it took me that long. I guess because how much hair it is. I have in 36-inch Bobby Boss new locks. So yeah, that was a lot. That was a nice exercise. I was sweating and everything. Hope you guys enjoyed this video as much as I enjoyed making it. Please remember to like, comment, subscribe, and remember, it's a beautiful day to keep moving forward, and I will catch you guys next time. Okay, I have on clothes, so let me show you, give you the outfit deets. So first I have on this crop top that I got from Shein, necklace by Morgan. She gave it to me, I don't know how long ago. I have on these leggings. I think I showed y'all these, I'm not sure. By Forever 21, and I just had my chacos on.
So I had to do what she had to do, and we can do this another day.
Yeah. Tester, tester, 1, 2, 3. Trying to see how this sounds. Trying to see how this looks. Hopefully it looks good. I'm zoomed completely out because it's necessary. Oh my gosh, I hope my voice doesn't sound a mess. I'm drinking tea because my allergies are whipping my ass. Hopefully I don't sound too nasally, but you know, I did want to provide content for y'all, so here I am. Oh my gosh, I sound so country. Yeah. I don't know why I'm holding the bottom of the cup like that. Thank you again, you guys, for supporting me. I really do appreciate it, and I just hope that you're excited to join me. The journey that we're about to begin, all the new videos, new content. Woo! That was a lot in me. Whew, I'm so glad I don't have to talk that much in this video. I have recorded a lot, now I gotta sit here, chop it down into little bitty bits so that it's not 30-minute video. We don't want that, no ma'am.
If you was a cartoon cast on your first arm, then you need to be a cartoon cast on your legs.
I've never heard somebody say y'all and it not sound country.
Hey,
Hey Grammy, happy birthday.